So, what's happening? Battery low? What the heck? I just started filming. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look specifically. I will try to get all the products listed in the description if you guys want to know, or if I forget to name something. And
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again?
got a new follower on my spam account. How famous am I? I don't know, my eyebrows are okay looking, but I sure am not. We're gonna do eyes first. So this is a half cut crease sort of Maybelline Master Prime long lasting eyeshadow base. I think this is good. Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And we're gonna take raw sienna and burnt orange and mix them together, I think. Or we're just gonna put this in our crease as a transition shade. You're gonna take concealer, foundation, whatever you want. You're gonna make a half cut crease basically. Wow, how crazy. I'm going to quickly blend our crease colors down into this corner just a little bit, just to make sure the cut crease isn't all the way. So we're gonna take Primavera, is that how you say it? The golden shade right here. How magical. And I'm just putting it on the first half of my eye where the cut crease still exists. Haha, I love it when my camera stops recording. I forgot to use tape. Shoot me. Have no idea how to say it, but it's this dark one right here. And we're just gonna blend it in to this area right here where there's no glitter basically. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna take a little bit more of raw sienna and put it on top of it just to change the tone a little bit. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner and then do this eye, and I'll be back soon. So I'm gonna take the one above Primavera and you're just gonna put it on the inner corner of your eyeballs. Ooh, perfect. I'm gonna try using falsies today. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna try applying them off camera. Update, I got this side on. The front is slowly coming off. I can't get it to stay. Nobody's allowed to judge me for how I put them on, okay? Okay, I think I got them. These ones too, literally, the front is lifting. You can't tell that much, right? Now we're gonna use some mascara. We're gonna use the Better Than Mama Won't Let Me Say It by Too Faced. My eyelashes look great now because these aren't even my eyelashes actually. What am I saying? Oh, my eyelashes came off. That literally took my eyelashes off. Eyes are done. Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer. I just got this like yesterday. I messed up my eyelashes. I felt it. This is a super weird primer. I think it's because it's not silicone based. It feels like moisturizer. Foundation. Maybelline Fit Me. I set my face and did my concealer and foundation. I just used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think I might have said that. And I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well. I'm gonna use this to contour. That's super disturbing. Can you not? Stop. My cat's literally sitting on my new makeup drawers. What the heck? Whoa, what is, she's like on the roof. What's happening? I'm gonna use this Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. I'm either using Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit or this Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. I think I'm going to use my palette. It's alright, I guess. And then I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted in Chihuahua. I love the applicator for this. So, I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like this video, what the heck? Make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I can feel my fake eyelashes moving. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.